What's up guys, this is Giefwar, I'm back to another crappy video. We're back with Zul Farrak. This is not our first run, because we knew we had to fix the Thingo event, but the fix we used last time didn't work 100% because they've changed some of the code. Like, there's a new function that does call for help. So we had to oh fuck, we disabled broadcast. We had to just add some extra code, and also yeah, just so like, cause like I've never played the game, so I don't know how that event works on real live. If you're not ice block and AoE the whole thing in one go, right? Like that's what players do. But what does like a non-mage party do? Like, because the like one of the 5 guys will walk down the stairs and then pull the whole pack by himself. Like, I don't know if that can happen on live. Oh, it's not on free for all. Oh shit, you have no mana. So like, I wonder if that can happen on live anyway. Like one of the guys, one of Billy's party, just walks down the stairs and just aggroes the whole pack. But the only item we've gotten from the Dong so far is the shoulders. Bad boys. The bad boys. And there's a few mobs in here that break the regex because they have fucking extra commas and shit in the name. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Uh-oh, that's not good. No mana. Sort of YOLOing because we know how easy it is, but if you give it an opening, the game will absolutely destroy you. Lucky recovery. There's so many patrolling mobs. Get nearest target is so bad. Stop following. God. Oh yeah, and because it's not the first run, we've done the quests already. Scarab shelves, troll, fucking sweat. Since when did the mobs just... It's hard to see the fucking circles. The bad part of playing with auto charge is that you can just get nearest targets like some mob on the other side of the map. Oh fuck. Uh-oh. We're really trying to fuck this up for ourselves. Quite poor play, TBH. Oh shit. We're just sort of zagging. Some of the terrain here is like fucked as well. For targeting. You don't have any mana, so we'll just drink for real. Make sure everyone's drinking. Excelente! Stay safe, just ripped. I don't know how though, like his party was all around him and they just killed a slime and then he was dead. Oh fuck. This is the fucked terrain, like, the terrain's fucked, so like, mobs become untargetable, and then, that's why they just run off in a random direction. So like, when they're like near a wall or something, like, it just fucks the... It's not everywhere, but in certain places, it's just fucked. Excelente. There's lots of patrolling mobs here. We can just pull. Camera's fucked. Oh shit. Go this way to check for the rest one. So just fucked. Whatever reason. Sander? Is it called Sander? Sandar. No Sander. Not that it matters specifically. Also, even though this isn't the first run, we still don't have the mallet. You don't have to kill everything. Shit. And both warriors are back to two-hand Ravager because weapon skill like is really important. Like without because in the was it the hinterlands somewhere we found this two-hander that's even slower than Ravager, so damage is higher, but because of it's a two-hand sword, like it's actually shit. It's just miss. compared to the Ravager. Can we just click on the thing and click Arcane? Interface. Oh yeah, an Earth Shock. Whoa, what's the fuck's this? Dagger? Maybe if we get rips, is it Ripsaw? I already forgot, yeah, Ripsaw. Maybe if we get Ripsaw we'll finally be able to duel. We've already done the quests here, obviously. Oh, who's stuck? The hunter. He's too far away. Like, even at the same weapon skill, like the two-hand sword would have to have fucking double the damage to make up for how much you miss. Oh, that's usually a ranged mob, not a melee. It's a random small. Oh shit, why are you so close? Skinning for no reason. Drink. Excelente. Oh fuck, I forgot that these things spawn like right away. Whoops. Warrior that can't get healed is getting hit because his name isn't unique. Whoa! I guess you can pick that up. Shitty one-hander. Excelente. Oh yeah, we already have fire totems turned off. There's a shitload of patrolling mobs here. This guy is best to Zergrush. Is that a mess long range for mana? Totem. Oh fuck. Let's go. Stuff. Damn it. Oh, you can't have more than one of those. Oh, you don't have the space. Chest. Excelente. Patrol. Not here. Oh fuck. Where did you come from? It's finally not getting skill. Bash. I wonder if we should add Fury at 100. Cancel Ravager. Probably, right? Excelente. Guys can pull aggro with the attack sports. Bash. Do you have arrows? Yeah. Was ist das? Simp strain the sweat in a bottle. What? Here we go! Time to see if our incredible fix works.
The executions begin.
Where else let's go? Easy Gatka. Let me just drink real quick. You still got your best mana pots, just in case, even though the only way you fuck this up is if one of those fuckers runs down and aggro's the whole thing, but hopefully that can't happen because we've disabled the fucking call for help. Like, I wonder if it can happen on live, like one of those fuckers just, like, I've never played the game, like, normally, so I don't know, like, obviously, like, good players just ice block AoE the whole thing, but what do, like, normal players do? And we're not on a warrior, so we can't, like, shoot to speed it up. Slow and steady. Excellent. Uh-oh! Where are you going? Don't do it. fuck! Don't do that! Oh, we're getting closer and closer. Not like this. Where's the hunter? The hunter's stuck somewhere. Where are you? Oh, you're like off in the middle of nowhere. You literally can't get back. The hunter's fucked, man. Oh shit. Oh, Weagle, what are you doing, man? Why are you there? Don't do it. Weagle's pulling aggro! It's always Weagle, man. AoE taunt off Weagle so that everyone... Shit, we're letting it stack up a bit too much. We need a heal pot. We actually heal potted. But we spent too much time dicking around and it stacked up a bit. And then the warrior that can't get healed is getting hit and the hunter is stuck in the middle of nowhere. Okay. We're recovering. Like the hunter can't... Oh fuck. Does he need a pot again? Oh, he's gonna die, man. Yeah, he's dead, man. The warrior that can't get healed because his name is not unique is dead. God. If you don't fuck up the event, something else fucks up. God. God damn it. Where's the hunter now? He's fallen down into a cliff somewhere. Fucking disaster, man. Is Billy gonna die? Can Billy die? Is it even possible? The hunter get out from where he is. Fuck. What a fucking disaster, man. This is why we hate Zul Farrak. Okay, everyone's dead. The event is over. We survived. The tour was over. Technically combat would drop now so we can res... Wait, we'll cast it so like everyone doesn't get mad. How do you cast? Where's the fucking... We'll cast Ancestral Spirit. Oh, you don't have any mana. Drink. Combat would drop, right? We're drinking. Now he reses the thing. He accepts. Excelente. Put totems down. We drink. And the other thing we do is that we double the time it takes for Billy to walk down the thing to make sure he's never too early. That pulls the whole pack. Excelente. So the fix works. Like the hunter just walked off like this is shit. The hunter walked off the cliff and was stuck in there, and the warrior that can't get healed couldn't do anything. So now we gotta fight this group. You kill the priest and the fucking thingo first, right? So now we do this. Insult. Oh fuck! Go open the door before Billy attacks us. Excelente. Now we kill this guy. Excelente. He's pretty tanky. Cooldowns, let's go. Woo! We're doing the event properly. Look, Mom, no cheats. And obviously we've done the quest already, so... And then for no reason we loot all of this. We can't buy our mounts yet because we're not... Do you have to be revered with Orgrimmar to buy a mount? Some of the things despawned. Do you actually have to be revered to buy mounts? Some reason on a stock cMaNGOS you have to be revered. No, exalted. Wait, are we exalted now? Do you have to be exalted to buy your mount? Is that actually a thing? And it costs 80 gold. For whatever reason. We're just gonna let them come to us because there's 2 of those things. Waiting for us. Where are you going? And then those 2 guys are waiting for us, so we're gonna drink. Why is... Excelente. Now we were gonna do when we did the first recording, when it fucked up, we tried to freezing trap one of the things, and the hunter just like walked in and fucked it up. It's always the hunter, man. Oh, these guys can't be thinged for some reason. Not sure why. Excelente! Excelente! Now Ripsaw. World first Ripsaw. I'll just drink real quick. World first Ripsaw incoming. Let's go. The bear's not holding aggro. Excelente. Excelente. World first Ripsaw. 3, 2, 1. BAM! Fuck off, man. Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit. I think we have both of the swords though. How do you combine them? We have both of the swords. I don't want fucking bottles of troll piss, man. How do you combine them? Use. Does it have to be equipped? It's on cooldown. We have them both. It has a fucking cooldown. 10. Wait for it. World first combination of swords in 3, 2, 1. BAM! Oh, it's happening. Wait. So you won't have space. Well, you can't even see this because it's on. Wow! What happened? Where did it go? Sulfraze the Lasher, 2-hand. 52 damn. What the fuck? It's soulbound. Do we show this real quick? Oh, the cam's still on the frozen screen. Look at this. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. Look at this insane level 50. Insane 52. It's fast and it hits harder than Ravager, but it's a sword, so I don't know if it's even better and we need an extra level. Insane. Well, our fix worked, so there's Zul Farrak. So we wanted to talk about how to fix it, right? So we're going to the database. So first we were looking around Sand Fury. We were just looking in the database. So like you can see on the thing here, we've got on the left we've got Azeroth Core Classic and TBC installed. So like you'd go into the database and find creature. So creature is the table with all the fucking creatures in the game, right? And does everyone remember their MySQL? So you gotta, can we just bring up, what's it get, this one here? So select star from creature. This was a different search, but we're named like Sand Fury. So the mobs that get spawned in that event, we don't want those mobs to be able to call for help, because in cMaNGOS everything can call for help against everything else. So if one of those things gets hit, it calls the entire pack and it's game over. Like the only way you can do that event is if you're ice block blizzarding it, right? Like it's literally impossible otherwise. So all the Zul Farrak mods are called Sand Fury something. This is like a scuffed dark theme. Like a lot of software is not built with dark themes, but we managed to find custom settings that change at least some of the screen to dark, but it obviously breaks a lot of things. But so we're looking at the creature table for Sand Fury, and the mobs that spawn are these four here. 3 years ago it was just, I think, Slave, Drudge and Cretin, but they've added, I'd have to go back and check because I can't remember. There's now Acolytes and Zealots that spawn when the two bosses spawn. And so like when we were looking in the table, we found that there was this column here, Call for Help. So if we just highlight this so you can see it, there's this column over here, Call for Help, and it's always 0 regardless of which mob it is. So we thought, what if we set this to 1 and then use that to distinguish these mobs to not let them call for help? So if we put this back to by entry, so we've got the mobs, it's these 4. These 5. So Slave, Drudge, Cretin, Acolyte, Zealot. You look at the ID numbers, 7787, 88, 89, 8876, 8877. And then we're going to edit the call for help to 1. So then we go back to our MySQL and we run we update this table, setting call for help to 1, where the entry ID is this. We've edited it here because we've added extra mobs since 3 years ago. If we just go here. Oh, but this isn't formatted to SQL. So this, where entry is in one of these, remember your MySQL syntax, so these are those mobs, and then these two last ones are the two bosses, the Zez or whoever the fucking Nekrum or whatever the fuck it's called. So we've updated call for help to 1 for these specific mobs. So now we have to find the code that controls the AI. So we go to, we're in cMaNGOS source game AI base AI creature AI, and we find this function, wait, not that one, this one, do call for help. So I don't know if it's important to explain what object orientation is. Like basically the point of object oriented programming is like you make these boxes, generic boxes in your design to be able to reuse code, and it makes sense. Like, and then as things get more specific, you inherit from those more generalized objects. So like, for example, in a 3D game, every object in your game is going to have XYZ coordinates. It's somewhere in the game. But not every object can move. So you'd have like a base class. This is obviously a massive simplification, but like, you have a base object which stores XYZ, and then you can inherit from that and have object that can move, and in that one you have functions for like when it moves, like a car or something. Because like something like a tree, it never moves or changes, right? Whereas a car would move. So you'd have like the base class would be like game object, and then a subclass could be moving object or something. Well, obviously we're massively simplifying. But so here you have creature AI and you have do call for help. And this is, we've added this to the function. But like before, it was just creature does function call for help radius, which you supply. So we added a check. So creature checks its fucking get creature info. Creature, this is an object. Because objects are more complicated, they're not just single variables. This holds a whole bunch of information. So we have to get the specific information with this function and then check whether that call for help is equal to 0. If call for equals 0, which is the default value, we just do call for help. But if it's not 0, which we just did, we set it to 1 for these specific mobs, it's not going to call for help. And this is all we had to do 3 years ago in that version of cMaNGOS. But since then, they added a new function here, and they've added more stuff. But not that one. They also added this. This didn't exist back 3 years ago. Maybe it was somewhere else, I don't know. But regardless of on call for help, for some reason this was getting called as well, on handle assistance call. So we added, originally this just had these two. If it's in combat or there's no invoker. So we just added another OR, and you check the creature info call for help equals 1 and return. So if creature call for help is 1, we just return without doing anything. This is actually kind of to just have like multiple returns, like it's usually like people don't like that, but that's a whole other thing, I guess. So we just added this check for our call to help. This was added since 3 years ago, last time we did this. Before, it was enough to just do it here, because this didn't exist. So now whenever you attack those mobs, these specific mobs, they cannot call for help. So even if they're standing in the middle of a pack, they cannot, it just doesn't call the call for help function, which means it won't pull the entire pack, which means it's now possible to finish the event, right? So this is just an example of a super hacky, like, basic fix that you can do. And obviously, when you do this edit, you have to recompile the server. And like, yeah, like this can be a way for you to get interested in programming. Like, you find an already existing program and you start playing with it. Like, the worst thing you can do in programming is, like, I wouldn't recommend C++ to start learning. Like, you don't want to pick a language where you have to write like 2 pages of code just to open a program that does nothing. Like in C++, to open a blank Windows like window is like 2 pages of C++ code. So yeah, I think the easiest is probably like JavaScript, but like, since, you know, like there's all sorts of high level new languages that like you can learn these days. But yeah, like you definitely don't want to start with C++ and object oriented, because you just get confused. But at the same time, like, it's really not that complicated. Like, I don't think programming is that complicated. I mean, it makes sense, right? Like, but yeah, that's just the example of a quick fix hack that allows this Zul Farrak event to be completed properly. So there you go. In terms of macros, I don't think we changed anything. So until the next time, I guess. Goodbye.